To future millionaires, we back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, and I'm here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors, man. Salute to everybody for rocking with me. I appreciate y'all for pulling up to the channel ASAP. Make sure you join our private investment community, private stock market game. I'm doing my free 99 alerts, my free plays in here, sharing a lot of information. We're growing as a community, helping each other, learn new things and stay on top of the markets. So make sure you get in there. Also, come follow me on Twitter at DecemberDeMarco. This is where you can follow up on certain plays that I'm also calling. You can get live up to date info about the channel, about my platforms, and just keep up to date with me. So I've been telling you all about the metaverse and things that we want to keep in our watch list or just in our sites coming up. So I'm gonna be doing a 101 metaverse video. I already did my NFT 101 video. If you didn't see that, scroll through the channel until you find that video, watch that. And now I just want to do the top 5 metaverse coins with over 1 billion market cap. So these are coins that need to be on your watch list if you are interested in moving into investing into this metaverse, this new space that we have here in crypto right now. So this is an article by the vrsoldier.com. Shout out to Mark Arguinbave. So this article is top 5 metaverse coins with over 1 billion market cap. So following NFTs and meme cryptocurrencies, metaverse coins are undoubtedly the next big hype in crypto. There are tons of metaverse coins looking for their share of the market, but only a select few have reached over $1 billion valuation. So in this article, we will list the top 5 metaverse coins that have over 1 billion in market cap. The list below is order by market cap, lowest to highest. So the lowest one right here, we got WeMix at a $1.9 billion market cap, sitting at number 5. WeMix is the blockchain gaming arm of the South Korean gaming company WeMade. As a veteran in the mobile game industry, WeMade has been operating for over 20 years with some games reaching over 500 million downloads. Unlike some of the other metaverse projects that started off as a crypto token, WeMix was built from the ground up with blockchain gaming in mind. WeMix also has a fully functional NFT marketplace where users can browse, sell, and buy NFTs. WeMix already has a list of blockchain games that users can download via the Android or Apple App Store. While the reviews state the game has bugs, it's understandable as the games were only released recently. Overall, most of the hype for WeMix is coming from South Korea. Looking at the trading volume, most of the volume is coming from BitHub, a South Korean cryptocurrency exchange. So this is things y'all want to look into, do more due diligence on. But let's continue with the article. So as a top mobile game development company, the market is betting on WeMix to be a leader in the metaverse sector with a market cap of 1.9 billion and a 24-hour trading volume of $323 million. WeMix has a lot of potential. So they're sitting at number 4, Engine Coin, $2.4 billion valuation right now. So another metaverse project that has been receiving a lot of hype lately is Engine, an all-in-one platform allowing users to create assets and put them to use in dApps. Similar to how investors are betting on WeMix to deliver high-quality products, traders are betting on Engine to deliver a high-quality metaverse. Previously, Engine was able to set itself as a leader in NFTs by creating a highly active marketplace full of rare NFTs. In fact, at the time of writing, there are over 17,000 NFTs currently listed on the platform, showing the sheer scale of the Engine ecosystem. Engine has established itself as a solid player in the cryptocurrency space. With how fast crypto is evolving, Engine also proved that it can ride the hype waves and establish itself as a top competitor time and time again. Engine's latest announcement mentions a new blockchain that will help developers integrate with the metaverse, dubbed Infinity. It will enable innovators in the metaverse to reach users across the growing list of decentralized networks, both existing and future. Overall, Engine has a great long-term outlook, especially given the fact that they pivoted their focus on the metaverse. Number 3, the Sandbox. So this is one that I'm personally investing in. I will be doing a dedicated video uploads, to keep people updated on this project. So y'all hearing it now. $3.1 billion valuation. The Sandbox is the most anticipated metaverse project right now. It's a virtual world where players can buy plots of land, then customize them with various assets. The game is planned to be released on May 2021. However, users can already purchase plots of land and various assets on the marketplace. So when y'all heard me talking about this yesterday in my video, I'm looking for potential partners. You know, I'm just testing the waters right now. A few people reached out to me, you know, that would possibly like to, you know, purchase land inside the metaverse. This is a very big opportunity. Some people might not understand it right now, but I'm thinking about letting a few of y'all that do understand it. I don't, you know, if you don't understand it, this opportunity is not for you. But if you understand real estate and you understand the metaverse and how owning, you know, digital real estate inside the metaverse that, you know, is attached to the blockchain can be beneficial, and you know, you're at that point where you can, you know, risk at, you know, I'm thinking about, I honestly think that amount is too small, but let's just say if you're at that level of 10K right now, just reach out to me via email and we'll see what we can make happen. I'm just gathering, you know, doing a small survey, seeing who's interested in this, because we could potentially develop some big things. I'm thinking about building, you know, a university in the metaverse, and also, you know, teaching people about decentralized finance through the university in the metaverse, and, you know, charging them tuition, and, you know, people that invested in it will be able to, you know, receive, you know, dividends or some type of reflections or something like that from, you know, investing into the project. Let me know if y'all interested in that. Hit me up via email. So that's DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. But the Sandbox is the most anticipated metaverse project right now. It's a virtual world where players can buy plots of land, then customize them with various assets. So meaning you can literally start a business. You could build a car wash on your land. You could build a restaurant on your land, and then start to charge people, you know, to come in there to, you know, eat, or, you know, you could build a clothing store where people can come in there to buy different clothing. You can even, you know, in the metaverse, you know, Domino's and, you know, different major franchises are already buying land inside of these, you know, metaverses, where there's one area on Sandbox where you can actually go order a pizza in the metaverse and it show up at your door. That's crazy. Think about the new technology that's going to be, you know, come from that type of, you know, capability. This is going to get wild, y'all. So we are very early. So, you know, I think it's going to be a good idea to snatch up some of this land. We could even build billboards on the land, charge for advertising space. It's crazy, y'all. It literally gets wild. So, one of the main reasons for the amount of hype surrounding Sand is the amazing gameplay footage, along with the numerous high-profile companies. My bad, y'all. Hey, excuse me, y'all. I'm my bad. But Sand is amazing. One of the main reasons for the amount of hype surrounding Sand is the amazing gameplay footage, along with numerous high-profile companies investing in Sand. For example, at the beginning of November, SoftBank announced that it invested $93 million into the Sandbox. Moreover, the Sandbox recently announced that their alpha version of the game will launch on November 29th and will run for 3 weeks, allowing users to experience the Sandbox hub. So overall, as the most anticipated metaverse project on the market, the Sandbox makes for a great long-term hold. So number 2, Decentraland, Mana, $5.8 billion evaluation. My personal favorite is Decentraland. This is, you know, the creator of the article saying is a fully functional virtual world that allows players to visit different hubs and interact with Decentraland metaverse. With a fully working product, Decentraland is eons ahead of any other projects listed above. It is my personal favorite because the hype that surrounds Mana is Mana and on an already functioning and working platform. So just to let y'all know, Mana is the one I'm most invested into right now. You know, I just want to keep it real with y'all. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to go FOMO in. I'm just letting you know what to put on your watch list and what to do some more research on. I will be doing a review on each of these tokens, so that way y'all can get a better understanding of them. Let me know which one of these projects are you most interested in it, and I'll try to get that one up first. So if you're looking to get into the metaverse hype, Mana is one of the first tokens I would look into, as it's one of the top contenders in the space right now and one of the safest bets in my opinion. So number 1, Axi Infinity. So at $8.1 billion evaluation. The highest valued metaverse project right now is Axi Infinity. It's a Pokemon inspired NFT based game that allows users to breed and upgrade their Axies. Part of the reason for Axi Infinity's $8 billion valuation has to do with the fact that it's the #1 Ethereum game based on active users. One surprising thing about Axi Infinity is the fact that the battle phase of the game is yet to be launched. The planned launch date is set for the first half of 2022, which means player can't battle with their Axies just yet. With the hype building around the platform, Axi Infinity is a great long-term hold for 2022. Once the battle phase of the game is released, chances are AXS will see a huge surge in users, leading to a higher valuation. So conclusion, with Metaverse setting itself as the latest trend in crypto, this is a chance for traders to capitalize off that hype. Many highly anticipated launch dates are set for 2022, meaning we could see a drastic price increase in a variety of Metaverse projects next year. Overall, you can't go wrong by investing in any of the projects listed above. While crypto might be going through some rough days this week, the long-term potential of all these projects is extremely bullish, and I wouldn't be surprised to see some of them 2x by end of year. So that's it for that article. I appreciate this person for putting this article out. I definitely agree with a lot of their points. I see some of these tokens like mana even more than 2xing before the end. I mean, okay, he did say end of year, so that does give it just a little bit over a month. But tokens like mana, Axi, and Sand, those ones are the most ones you want to be paying attention to right now. Yes, there are some creepers that will come up, but those are the ones leading the pack, and you just want to do your due diligence so you understand what you're getting into with these coins. Let's take a look at coin market cap and just see, look at each one of those main ones right there. So first one we'll check out is mana. So that's the Decentraland token. We'll see how that one is performing. So mana is at $3.27 right now. It's down 6% for the day. See if we get the trading view on that. Okay. So right now we are on the day chart. We're seeing some consolidation or trading sideways right here, which is normally a sign that there will be a breakout to, either the upside or the downside. The market has agreed that this is a fair price for now. So let's try to see what we can identify here. So we noticed we had, this impulse here. We had some resistance right in this range. Right in the it's freezing up just a little bit. Grab this horizontal line just to throw a resistance line up there. Okay, so we see some resistance at that $3.57 mark. Right now it's at $3.28. All-time high we seen $4.92, just about $4.90-ish, $4.95, somewhere in that range. Do I think it will go above that point? 100%. We found support here, just about that $2.46 range. So right now it looks like it's trading in between, this channel here. So hopefully we see, something that, pushes this to the upside. Honestly, I think you cannot miss just loading up, with this project here. Now, of course, the markets are, rough. We're seeing a 6% sell off today, but we are holding this line here. So that just shows that buyers are, not letting the price fall anywhere underneath this point right here. So we can look at that as our current support level right now on the day chart. And with this many days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, it trading in that range, pretty soon it should let us know something. So honestly, as more people learn about this project, it's still very, fairly unknown to, the majority of the market. It's only going to gain more holders and, go even higher. So definitely come check this project out. I think right along this support area of, if you can get it at 320, that might be better, 317-ish. But right now, this is, these are all longer term plays for me. So let's look up Axi as well. So Axi Infinity, we got that one at right now $136, up almost 1% on the day. Let's take a look at this chart. Let's see. So Axi is, going absolutely crazy right now. It had an all-time high of $166. A recent correction or a recent swing low to $123, or about that 122 mark. So right now it's looking like it's about to have another breakout to the upside just looking at it. So right now, if you want to add some Axi or some AXS, that would possibly not be a bad idea. This is for longer term plays though, so if you're looking to just hit a home run overnight, then this is not for you. But let's check out Sand as well. So the Sandbox, this project is at $3.62, up 0.8% for the day, almost 1%. Let's take a look at the chart at this one. And remember, we just seen Axi at $130 something. So imagine, if Sandbox gets up to that point. These are the same type of, projects basically. So, right now is very early, very, very early. This is a top right now on Sand because this one is booming, but I highly recommend y'all to check this out. So that's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up on me, and we are out.